Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore 5 mysterious things about the universe that are so bizarre, you won't believe them. Let's dive into the unknown. Fact 1. The universe is expanding faster than ever. Scientists have discovered that the universe is expanding faster than light. This discovery is called dark energy, and it's responsible for the mysterious acceleration. Fact 2. There's a gigantic cloud of alcohol in space. Yes, you heard it right. There is a cloud of alcohol floating in space, specifically methanol. It's located near a star-forming region in space and contains 140 billion times the mass of Earth in alcohol. Fact 3. There might be other universes, multiverse theory. The theory of multiverses suggests that there might be multiple universes apart from ours. It's like an infinite number of realities existing simultaneously. Some might even have alternative versions of us. How crazy is that? Fact 4. Neutron stars can spin extremely fast. A neutron star is the collapsed core of a massive star, and these stars can spin up to 600 times per second. Imagine an object the size of a city spinning faster than the speed of sound. Fact 5. A day on Mercury is longer than a year. Yes, Mercury's rotation is so slow that it takes 176 Earth days to complete one day on Mercury, but only 88 Earth days to orbit around the Sun. That's twice as long for one single day. So, which fact amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing facts about the universe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.